The agile and powerful Jungheinrich EJE electric pedestrian pallet truck with load capacities of up to 3,500 kilograms is particularly suitable for intensive long-term use and transporting heavy loads. The long safety control handle and the ProTrack Link torsion bar ensure increased safety and stability. Only trained persons with safety shoes are allowed to operate the pallet truck. Do not carry people on the forks. Make sure the red emergency stop switch is pulled up. Start the truck via the access system. As soon as the truck is ready for use, the display shows the battery charge status. Tilt the control handle towards you. Use the green rocker switch, which can be operated on both sides, to determine both the direction of travel and the speed of the truck. To steer, move the control handle to the left or right. Release the rocker switch to stop, or brake by moving the control handle to a vertical position or by pushing it down. When the red body protection button of the control handle is released, the truck immediately moves away from the operator and stops. In an emergency, the truck can also be stopped via the emergency stop switch. In narrow aisles or in lorries, the pallet truck can also be maneuvered with a vertical control handle. To do this, press the crawl speed button and select the direction of travel with a rocker switch. The individually adjustable travel programs can be selected via the truck display, among other things. The load section can be controlled and raised with the lift or lower buttons. When parking the truck, make sure the load section is completely lowered to avoid accidents. Then turn off the truck. To charge the battery, the truck must be completely switched off. The onboard charger allows the battery to be charged from any 230 volts main socket. For trucks without an onboard charger, open the battery compartment. Disconnect the battery connector from the truck and connect it to the charger plug. The charger automatically switches off at the end of the charging process. If charging is interrupted, always turn off the charger first before disconnecting the truck from the charger. The Jungheinrich EJE is available with both a maintenance-free lithium-ion battery and a lead-acid battery. To service the lead-acid battery, check the battery water level using the checkpoints. After charging, regularly refill the distilled water in the battery. To do this, connect the aquamatic hose to the water tank. The indicator in the hose indicates that the process has ended. Then disconnect the hose from the container and close the battery compartment. The truck is now ready for use again. In addition to the battery, regularly check the wheels, load section and hydraulics for damage and contamination. For a long service life of battery and truck, we recommend regular maintenance by a Jungheinrich service engineer. Any questions about the truck or how it operates? We are nearby. Please observe the safety instructions. Further important information on the operation and maintenance of the truck can be found in the operator's manual supplied.